Got an audio file or recording? We'll show you how to turn it into a video instantly using audio to video. With audio to video, you can turn your audio into engaging videos using AI. Start from the homepage and click Audio to Video. Upload your audio file or choose a demo file to get started. Select the language of your audio and open the transcript editor. Pictory will automatically transcribe your audio into text. Edit your transcript and remove filler words or silences. Highlight key parts or select clips using the Highlights tab. Adjust subtitles, styles, and formatting for your video. Click Create Video to generate your storyboard. Pictory will match visuals to your audio automatically. Use AI Studio to generate custom visuals by clicking Edit with AI and entering a prompt. Add music, voiceovers, or AI avatars to enhance your video. Preview your video and download when ready.